Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 66th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the getchar and putchar functions. Now I know that in the last tutorial I said that we are going to continue with our discussion on structures in this tutorial, but I'm going to take a little detour from our discussion on structures and discuss a few things because we will be needing the information that we gain in this tutorial and in the next one, in which we discuss the gets and puts functions, for the tutorials that I make on structures, right? So as you can see, using code blocks, I've saved a file. I've given it the name getchar and putchar functions.c, and on line 1 in this file I have the stdio.h header file. On line 2 I have declared the main function, and then between the curly braces I have some code, and we're going to look at this code now. So on line 4 I have declared a character variable and I've given it the name ch. And then on line 5 I have used the printf statement to display a message on screen, and the message is enter a character, right? So we use the getchar method to obtain input from the user, right? And using the getchar method you can just obtain one character input, right? So on the next line, on line number 6, I have used the getchar function, and you use it by typing in getchar, that's getchar, and then a set of empty parentheses, and on the LHS you have to specify the variable in which you want the character to be stored. So in this case, since I have declared the ch variable and it is of character type, I've specified that, and then there is the assignment operator and then the function name, which is getchar, right? And on the next line, on line number 7, I have a printf statement that's going to display the message the character entered is, and then I've used the putchar function to display the character that has been stored in the ch variable, right? So you use getchar to get the input from the user, and you use putchar to display it back on screen, right? And you use putchar by typing in the name of the function, which is putchar, and then within a set of parentheses you type in the variable in which the character is stored, and in this case it is ch, right? And then of course there is the semicolon to terminate the statement. Now I click on build and run now and show you guys the output of this program. So in the output window you see that I get the message enter a character, and the cursor is blinking at the end of the string, waiting for me to type in some characters. So if I type in capital A and press the enter key, I see that on the next line I get the message the character entered is, there's a colon, and then I see the character capital A, right? I'll execute the program again with some other character input. I'll type in 5, which is a digit, and when I press the enter key I see that on the next line I get the character entered is 5, right? Now what if I enter more than one characters, right? So if instead of entering just one character, if I type in an entire word like hello and press the enter key, I would see that only one character, which is the first character in the word, is stored in the ch variable, and only that character is displayed, right? So we're going to see how we can get over this shortcoming of the getchar function, also the putchar function, using gets and puts in the next tutorial. And for the time being, this is all that I wanted to discuss with you guys, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.